I believe experience teaches lessons that no classroom can replicate because real world challenges force us to adapt, grow, and innovate constantly.
Education provides structured knowledge, theories, and frameworks that guide decision making, ensuring individuals understand principles before applying them in unpredictable, real world situations.
But theories often remain abstract until tested, while experience gives immediate feedback, showing what works and what fails, shaping practical wisdom beyond textbooks.
Yet without education, experience can be limited because people may repeat mistakes without understanding deeper concepts that formal learning helps clarify effectively.
Experience builds resilience, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, qualities employers value more than memorized theories, because these traits determine success in unpredictable environments.
Education develops analytical thinking, critical reasoning, and problem solving skills, equipping individuals with tools to interpret experiences and transform them into meaningful knowledge.
Consider entrepreneurs who succeed without degrees, relying on experience, intuition, and creativity, proving that practical exposure often outweighs formal qualifications in business.
However, many innovations stem from educated minds applying theories to practice, showing that structured learning provides the foundation for groundbreaking discoveries and progress.
Experience also teaches interpersonal skills, negotiation, and leadership, which are rarely taught effectively in classrooms, but are essential for professional and personal growth.
Education ensures individuals understand ethics, history, and science, preventing reckless decisions because experience alone may not provide the broader perspective society requires.
When facing unexpected challenges, experience helps people improvise confidently, while education sometimes struggles to prepare individuals for unpredictable, rapidly changing circumstances.
Education, however, prepares individuals with transferable skills, enabling them to adapt across industries while experience may remain limited to specific contexts or environments.
Experience fosters creativity by encouraging experimentation, risk taking, and learning from failure, whereas education often discourages mistakes, focusing instead on correctness and conformity.
Education encourages systematic research, evidence based conclusions, and structured methodologies, ensuring knowledge is reliable, unlike experience, which may rely on subjective interpretation alone.
Experience builds credibility in professional settings because colleagues trust those who have faced challenges firsthand rather than those who only studied theories.
Education provides credentials that open doors to opportunities because many industries require degrees as proof of competence, regardless of practical experience gained.
Experience demonstrates adaptability, showing how individuals evolve through changing circumstances, while education sometimes remains static, failing to keep pace with real-world demands.
Education evolves too, incorporating new technologies, research, and global perspectives, ensuring learners remain updated while experience may lag behind without theoretical refreshment.
Experience teaches humility because failures remind us of our limitations, while education sometimes fosters arrogance, making individuals believe they know everything already.
Education instills discipline, patience, and perseverance because structured learning requires commitment, while experience alone may lack consistency without foundational guidance.
Experience is accessible to everyone, regardless of background, while education often remains expensive, exclusive, and inaccessible, limiting opportunities for many talented individuals.
Education democratizes knowledge through online platforms, scholarships, and global initiatives, making structured learning more accessible than ever before, bridging gaps across communities.
Experience provides context to knowledge, transforming abstract ideas into practical solutions, ensuring individuals understand how theories apply in everyday life situations.
Education ensures individuals acquire knowledge before application, reducing risks because relying solely on experience may lead to costly mistakes or dangerous misjudgments.
Experience nurtures intuition, helping individuals make quick decisions under pressure, while education often emphasizes lengthy analysis, slowing responses in urgent scenarios.
Education develops foresight, enabling individuals to anticipate challenges because theories and case studies prepare them for scenarios they may not yet encounter.
Experience builds confidence because overcoming real obstacles strengthens belief in one's abilities, while education sometimes leaves individuals untested until reality strikes.
Education builds confidence too, because mastering complex subjects empowers individuals, giving them assurance they can tackle challenges with informed strategies.
Experience is dynamic, constantly evolving with circumstances, while education often remains confined to curricula, unable to fully capture real-world complexities.
Education provides universal standards, ensuring consistency across professions, while experience varies widely, making it difficult to measure or validate objectively.
Experience emphasizes lifelong learning because every challenge teaches something new, while education often ends with graduation, leaving individuals stagnant afterward.
Education promotes lifelong learning too, through advanced degrees, certifications, and research, encouraging individuals to continuously expand their knowledge base.
Experience connects people emotionally because shared struggles create empathy, while education sometimes isolates individuals in theoretical discussions disconnected from reality.
Education connects people intellectually, fostering debates, discussions, and collaborations, ensuring diverse perspectives enrich understanding beyond personal experiences alone.
Experience proves effectiveness through results because success in practice validates competence, while education sometimes produces graduates lacking practical application skills.
Education proves effectiveness through innovation because theories applied systematically lead to breakthroughs, shaping industries and advancing societies beyond mere trial and error.
Experience is immediate, teaching lessons in real time, while education often delays application, requiring years of study before practical engagement begins.
Education accelerates understanding because centuries of accumulated knowledge are condensed into structured learning, saving individuals from repeating mistakes unnecessarily.
Experience fosters independence because individuals learn by doing, while education sometimes fosters dependency on teachers, books, and institutions for guidance.
Education fosters independence too because knowledge empowers individuals to think critically, challenge norms, and innovate beyond traditional practices.
Experience is flexible, adapting to diverse environments, while education sometimes struggles to remain relevant across different cultural or economic contexts.
Education is universal, providing standardized knowledge applicable globally, ensuring individuals can contribute meaningfully regardless of location or background.
Experience teaches resilience through failure because setbacks strengthen character, while education often avoids failure, focusing instead on theoretical perfection.
Education teaches resilience too, because rigorous exams, assignments, and challenges prepare individuals to handle stress and overcome intellectual obstacles.
Experience is practical, showing immediate outcomes, while education sometimes feels abstract, disconnected from the realities professionals face daily.
Education is practical too, because applied sciences, internships, and projects integrate theory with practice, ensuring learners gain hands on exposure.